Hello, are you Roberta Monreal? No, but she isn't. No, you need to.
I got excited. I saw you.
No, hi. Oh, yeah, he's in. All right, so let me explain something to you. I understand that you're his parents, and he seems very young to me. But once they're
Now, here's a legal twist most people do not realize once a felony hits. You are no longer the teenager mom and dad can fight for in court. The system treats you like a full-grown adult. No training wheels. That's why things just got very real for Roberto.
charged with a felony offense, they're considered legally to be an adult, right? So you're not allowed to come up here with him unless you're coming as witnesses, okay? But you can come to court and everything, but he's here with his attorneys, all right? And what I can tell you is this, because I know parents are concerned. We want to be involved, right? And we want to know everything that's happening. But this is what I'm going to tell you. I've been a defense attorney before, and I'm sure they'll tell you if
This is Courtroom Confidentiality 101. Even if you're the parent of the accused, sitting in on strategy talks can make you a witness for the prosecution. Think about it, what's said in confidence could be used in court. One wrong move, and your love becomes legal liability.
you're in on their meetings with him where they're discussing things, it's no longer confidential. That means that the state can call you as a witness to figure out, if they want to, what happened, what was said. So even though you're his parents, he's an adult, they're his attorneys. What I can tell you about these two attorneys, nothing's going to happen unless y'all know about it. Nobody's going to, yes.
Those are the victim's parents.
That's the victim's parents.
Oh.
His mom is in the courtroom.
Oh, hey, Mom.
There's the victim's parents.
Okay, they said they were the parents. All right.
No, I'm not his parent.
Okay, so you all need to step back. Whoa. Hi, Mom. Everything's going to be fine. All right. All right. So you want an appointment of a second chair,
Yes, sir.
and that will be granted. And I'm assuming, are you retained or no?
Well, as part of the bond situation, yes. As part of the bond conditions, I am retained.
All right. So what I'm going to need to do, if you want the court to appoint a second chair, I need to get some information about his finances.
I can tell you, it was a big effort to make the bond, and I can tell you that he
And there it is, the official oath. From this moment on, every word Roberto says is locked in the court record. One misstep, one exaggeration, and the prosecution can and will use it against him.
is.
I need to
Sure,
call
you
him to
asked
see.
that.
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 006058B, State versus Roberto Monreal. Can I have parties announce?
Nick Aguilar on behalf of Roberto Monreal.
And I'm sorry, this is just for an appointment of a second chair, State. All right. And are you Mr. Monreal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roberto Monreal.
All right. So, defendant, you're asking for the appointment of a second chair?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If you want to ask your client questions about financial,
Absolutely, Judge. You already stated your name. Please.
Yes, sir.
And how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
And how long have you been 18?
A month, short of a month.
Okay. And are you currently working?
No, sir.
Okay. And before you bonded out, how long were you in jail?
About 3 months.
And before those 3 months, were you working?
No, sir.
So you have no assets at all in your name?
No, sir.
Okay. And where are you living?
With my mom.
And your dad lives in
Phoenix.
Phoenix, Arizona?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I know.
Let that sink in. This 18-year-old cannot afford even the GPS monitor to track his location. So if you are wondering why the court's granting a second public defender, this moment says it all. No job, no assets, no diploma. He's fighting a capital case from rock bottom.
It was a group effort to make the bond, right?
Yes, sir.
Between your mom and dad.
Yes, sir.
And they're separated, divorced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have the funds to hire a second attorney on the capital murder?
No, sir.
Have you looked into it, or your parents looked into it?
Hiring a second attorney? Yes, sir.
Roberto, are you currently going to school?
No, sir.
Have you graduated from high school?
No, sir.
How short are you from graduating?
3 credits, please, sir.
You're currently on GPS monitor,
Yes, sir.
and how are you paying the monitor fee?
My mom is, sir.
So you can't even afford a $300 monitor fee
No,
yourself?
sir.
all right. I'm going to grant the motion. I'll appoint a second chair. And then state who's going to be handling this case. All right, Mr. Carehan, on this case, are y'all proceeding on this as a capital murder?
I'm sorry, Judge, I don't know which one this was.
Roberto Morgan.
As in capital, I believe it was just murder and that robbery.
Well, in count one, you do have it as a murder, a felony murder.
Correct, Judge.
All right, and then count two is an aggravated robbery.
Yes, Judge. And for the record, I was the court-appointed second chair to Suzanne Kramer before Mr. Aguilera filed his notice. So that's why I'm.
Okay. All right. So I've granted the motion to have the second chair. And for the record, as she stated, he was previously appointed Miss Suzanne Kramer as first chair and Miss Guerrero as second chair. And that the attorney, Mr. Aguilera, was retained to make the bond. Right. So we can go off the record. So on this case, where are we? Let me see where the other cases are set.
This one was supposed to be set for a bond reduction today. That's why we were out of order.
Okay. All right, Norma, when are the...
This is where the judge shifts gears addressing the emotional storm in the room. High-stakes cases like this don't just pit lawyers against each other. They pull in grieving, families, angry parents, and raw emotion. But in a courtroom, emotions do not win. Evidence does.
Other cases set?
All of them were set for today, Judge.
Okay.
Only two are set for today. One was pushed for next week because the council was out of town.
All right, so then what we'll do is let's get a discovery date on this one. And we'll do, because of the nature of the offense, put me at 45 days for discovery. All right, so we're going to recall it July 24th for, all right, and my understanding the complainant's family is here.
Yes, Judge.
And so, if you could move this way. So all the parents in the courtroom who are involved in some shape, form, or fashion with regards to these cases, I know that emotions run high. I thank you for not causing any.
And that's the twist most courtroom rookies miss. Today's not a trial, it's a setup for the real battle ahead. Think of it like a chessboard. The discovery phase decides who gets to make the next power move. And July 24th, that's when the real heat begins.
Problems coming up, so I appreciate that. So I just want everybody to know that all the people involved are deemed to be adults legally by the court. So I understand that emotions can run high, but I want to remind everyone, we can't do that inside the courtroom and hopefully not outside the courtroom. Just let the legal process, sort itself out. And so to all the persons who come down, who want to see something that is happening in regards to these cases, the first part of the legal process is for me to make sure that